Explore the vibrant world of Sekura. Witness history in West Lampung. In a spectacular celebration, Dr. Hai Mukhlis Basri and his dedicated team made waves by organizing the largest Sekura parade ever. "5,454 participants unite for Eid al-Fitr. Imagine the energy as thousands joined the Sekura procession at the Regional Government's Office Field, Kota Liwa, West Lampung Regency. Sekura isn't just a parade, it's an expression of gratitude and joy deeply rooted in West Lampung's culture. Participants wear masks that are a fusion of tradition and creativity, adding to the spectacle. The remarkable Sekura parade broke records, earning recognition from the Indonesian Museum of Records and Asia Book of Records. Dr. Hai Mukhlis Basri highlighted how Sekura represents the pride and heritage of West Lampung, recognized even by UNESCO as an intangible world heritage. Join in the celebration of this vibrant culture, unity and history in West Lampung.